Before you begin your day, take a deep breath. Let the noise fade, and let this moment be your quiet time with God. Imagine starting your morning not with worry or fear, but with peace, knowing that the Creator of the universe is your shepherd, guiding every step, protecting every path, and providing for every need. If you've been searching for calm, comfort, and divine reassurance, you're in the right place. Welcome to Prayers and Blessings, a community of believers who start each day with the Word of God and prayer. Here we grow together in faith, hope, and love, one prayer at a time. Before we dive in, subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily prayers. Together, let's invite God's peace into our hearts and homes. Now, let's listen to His Word through one of the most comforting passages in all of Scripture. Psalm 23, the prayer of a shepherd who knew the heart of God. Psalm 23 begins with these simple yet life-changing words. The Lord is my shepherd. These words are more than just poetry. They describe a living, breathing relationship. A shepherd knows each sheep by name. He protects, guides, and provides. In the same way, God knows you personally. Your fears, your dreams, and even the thoughts you never say out loud. When David wrote these words, he wasn't speaking from a place of comfort, but from trust. To say, "The Lord is my shepherd," means surrendering control and believing that God sees what you cannot see. It's trusting that His plan is better, His path is safer, and His timing is perfect. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. These words paint a picture of divine rest and abundance. Green pastures represent God's provision, not just food or wealth, but everything your heart truly needs. Peace, security, and contentment. Still waters symbolize His peace, a calm that settles your anxious thoughts and restores your weary soul. Maybe life has felt heavy lately, bills piling up, relationships strained, or uncertainty clouding your future. But this verse reminds you that God is not only your provider, He's your restorer. He knows when you need to pause. He knows when to lead, when to comfort, and when to carry you. When you rest in His presence, you'll find that your soul becomes steady again, no matter how turbulent life feels. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. This verse isn't only about physical death. It's about those dark valleys of life, grief, heartbreak, anxiety, or loneliness. Notice it says, walk through. You're not meant to stay there. The valley is temporary, but God's presence is eternal. Even in the shadows, His light guides you. Even in fear, His comfort surrounds you. When life feels uncertain and you can't see the way forward, remember, you don't walk alone. The same God who parted the Red Sea, who closed the mouths of lions, and who raised Jesus from the dead, walks beside you now. So lift your head, take a deep breath, and trust that your shepherd will lead you safely through. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. What a powerful image of victory and abundance. God doesn't just rescue you, He honors you. Imagine sitting at a feast, surrounded by peace, while those who doubted or opposed you watch as God blesses your life openly. The oil represents His anointing, His favor, healing, and calling over your life. And the overflowing cup shows that God's blessings are not limited. They are abundant. He doesn't give you just enough. He gives you more than enough. Joy that overflows, strength that endures, and peace that cannot be taken away. Even in the middle of life's battles, you can live with confidence, knowing that no enemy can stop what God has already prepared for you. Psalm 23 closes with a promise so powerful. It can carry you through every day of your life. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. God's goodness doesn't just appear occasionally, it follows you daily. It chases you down in your mistakes, lifts you up in your weakness, and surrounds you in your victories. His mercy is new every morning, and His faithfulness never runs out. Every sunrise you see is proof that He's not finished blessing you. You can walk into this day with peace in your heart, knowing that His love, His protection, and His promises are already waiting for you. So as we prepare to pray, let this truth settle deep in your soul. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are deeply loved and endlessly cared for by your Good Shepherd, the one who restores, provides, protects, and never leaves your side. Before we pray, take a moment to breathe deeply and quiet your thoughts. This is your sacred time, a moment to rest in God's presence before you begin the day. Wherever you are right now, whether at home, at work, or on the road, know this: the Lord is right there with you. He hears every whisper of your heart. Let us pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for this brand new day. Thank you for the gift of life, for the breath in my lungs, and for the chance to begin again. You are my shepherd, Lord, my protector, my provider, and my guide. I rest in the truth that you are with me and that I lack nothing when I am in your care. Today, I choose to trust you completely. Lead me beside still waters when my spirit feels restless. Restore my soul when I grow weary. Remind me that even when I walk through the darkest valleys, I do not walk alone, because you go before me, behind me, and beside me. Lord, I ask for your peace to fill my heart and for your light to guide my steps. Help me face this day with confidence, knowing that you have already gone ahead to prepare the way. Guard my thoughts from worry and my heart from fear. Let your wisdom direct every decision I make today. Anoint my head with oil and let my cup overflow with your goodness. Bless my family, my home, my work, and every person I meet. May your love flow through me so that others can see your grace in my words and actions. And for everyone praying with me right now, Lord, I lift them up to you. Meet their needs, heal their hearts, and remind them that they are deeply loved. Thank you, Jesus, for being my shepherd and my refuge. I surrender this day to you, trusting that your goodness and mercy will follow me wherever I go. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. If this prayer and reflection on Psalm 23 touched your heart today, take a moment to pause and respond in faith. Type Amen in the comments below, not just as a word, but as a declaration that you trust your shepherd to guide and provide for you today. And if you're facing a personal struggle or need a special prayer, please share it with us in the comments. You are not alone. We read your requests, and together, as one community of faith, we lift each other up before God. Here on Prayers and Blessings, our mission is to help you draw closer to the Lord every day through prayer and His Word. If you haven't yet, we invite you to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next morning prayer. Let's keep growing together in faith, hope, and love, one prayer at a time. As you step into your day, hold on to this promise. The Lord is your shepherd, you shall not want. Wherever you go, His goodness follows. Whatever you face, His mercy surrounds you. And whatever you need, His hand will provide. May the peace of God fill your heart, His strength sustain you, and His love guide every step you take today. Thank you for praying with us. May your day be blessed, your heart be strong, and your soul be at rest in